Alright, so first up we're going to build the inner structure for the Lego Christmas Bauble. To do that you'll need 2 of these 4x4 plates that are open in the centre. You'll need 8 of these 1x2 plates, and you need 8 of these 1x2 bricks that have the studs on one side. Any colour, because this is the inside of the bauble, it doesn't matter what colour they are, you won't see it. So to build it, grab your plate and to the centre place the 1x2 brick with the studs facing out to each of the 4 sides. And then underneath we're going to put the 1x2 plates, and the end result is we have that structure, which we need to do twice. And now you have 2 of those structures. They will go inside the Christmas bauble like so. Alright, so next up we're going to build the faces of the Lego Christmas Bauble. To do this, you're going to need 12 of these 2x4 plates, 6 of these 2x2 plates, 5 of these 2x2 jumper plates, 1 of the ring structure, 5 1x1 pyramids, and 24 1x2 30 slopes. I've chosen bright green and red with the white for my Christmas bauble. You can change the colours around depending on what design that you would like. Alright, so first up you'll need 2 of the 2x4 plates. You're going to connect them with a 2x2 plate through the centre. We're going to put a 2x2 jumper plate on top, and then a pyramid structure. I've aligned the pyramids so each of the corners of the pyramid are facing to the sides of the bottom plate. And then to each side we will place 1 of these 30 slopes. And you will end up with that structure, and we are going to need 5 of those. Alright, so a cube has 6 sides, so on our final face it's going to be a little bit different. Instead of putting the jumper plate and the pyramid, we're going to put the ring structure. Other than that, it's the same design. This is where our string is going to attach to hold the bauble together. And there you have your faces. Okay, so putting it all together, we'll grab the inner structure, and to the top we're going to place 1 of the faces. We'll do the same to the other one. Now we can put them like so and attach the other faces. So for simplicity, I'd attach 1 and then carefully attach the second. And now we can go around and attach all the other faces. And that is the Lego Christmas Bauble. The last thing to do is to attach some string. So I just thread through from one side, and up here we can loop around, thread through and tie a little knot, and I will just trim the excess off. And there is the Lego Christmas Bauble, ready to hang from your Christmas tree.